Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Valvoline and Sparesbox. Don't forget BCW5 on checkout. Today we're down here at Wakefield Park Raceway for a bit of a drift grip combo day. I've actually only entered the drift portion of the event because drifting's fun. I don't know. It was more expensive to do both sides, so I was like, oh, screw it, we'll just do the drift side. But come down, have a bit of a lash, have some fun. Hopefully we don't puke oil everywhere today. Fingers crossed, let's do it. Well, I've been having a bit of a blast this morning and I can't quite get the line right for turn one. So good old Jimmy from Stay Sharp crew. It's going to let me jump in as a passenger seat. I've actually known Jimmy for quite a while. We went to TAFE together. So we worked out actually before that we've known each other for about 17 years. So pretty cool to see him develop with his car, and from humble beginnings and I guess the silly stuff we did at TAFE as kids. I've kind of jumped on the drift thing a bit late, but yeah, he's going to give me a hand, and hopefully in the Arvo runs I can try and get a bit of a better angle or a bit of better entry to try and link that whole section. So still learning the car, learning the track. This is the first time I've drifted at Wakefield. Also, this track is a lot faster than Rayleigh. Learning faster sliding and all that sort of stuff, learning those techniques. I'm trying to learn them pretty quickly and actually still have a bit of fun at the same time. So it's definitely been pretty challenging, but yeah, Jimmy's put his hand up and he's going to give me a hand. So we're going to go out now in Jimmy's car, and I'll actually try and observe from him and hopefully learn something.
Good bailout. Good read. No clutch start. Yeah. I feel like I'm a bit deep, and like just then, I felt like we were going to slide off. Yeah. So just got on the gas and just pulled me out of it. That's sick. Yeah. Thanks, bro. That's mad.
been another great day at the track. We've done about 5 sessions total, and car still runs, still happy, everything's going good. I've definitely got a lot to learn still. Coming out here, coming from Rayleigh to here, you kind of go, oh yeah, cool, I've kind of got a bit of a clue, and then you come out there, first time you're in 4th gear, it's like, I have no idea what I'm doing, and as a result, I ended up in the weeds a few times. Still had a blast though. Massive thanks to everyone for putting on the event, thanks to Wakefield Park. They're basically making the best of a bad situation at the moment with COVID and whatnot, so because we're not based directly in Sydney, we're still able to come out to Wakefield and participate in events. Special mention, thank you to Jimmy from Stay Sharp for giving me a hand, bit of a tuition and a push. Yeah, thanks to him, he's always a great help, awesome dude, good for a chat. And yeah, thanks to you guys obviously for continually supporting the channel, for watching, for buying merch. We just topped up merch on the store as well, so if anyone wants that, we'll leave a link in the description. Thanks to Valvoline, thanks for Sparesbox, BCW5 on checkout. Thanks for watching, see you next time.